Hello guys, my name is Textureman and today I'm going to show you how to create the automotive taillights for your automotive renders. First of all, I'm going to say big thank you to all the people who support me, all the subscribers and the viewers, and also all the people who support me on the Patreon. Thank you guys. If you want to check my Patreon page, you can find the link down below, and if you support me on the Patreon, you can download some 3D models and 3D scenes ready to render in the KeyShot. I will be updating my Patreon page each month, so there will be still the new content, and you will get access to some 3D models, and it's really good, so check it out. So first of all, I'm just going to tell you there is a lot of methods how to create the automotive lights, but I'm going to show you two methods. First is really easy, and second is not so easy, but it's not so complicated either. So first of all, I'm going to click on this glass right here. It's the red glass. So and behind this red glass, it's the plane, and I'm going to select it, and I'm going to my material tab, light tab, and I'm going to use emissive neutral, and I'm going to click on the right click on my mouse, and I'm going to click on underhide. So now you can see this is your light. You got the red glass, and behind the red glass is your light. So it's really simple how to create it. I'm going to back to my camera so you can see it better. So this is the step one. It's really easy, it's not complicated, and you can create really realistic method or realistic results. And the second way is a little bit complicated. So I'm going to find this light, and it's emissive neutral because we applied emissive neutral. So I'm going to double click on this, and you can see you can change the color of it, but it will not the change because there is the red glass. So I'm going to use the red color. All right, and I'm just going to change this type from emissive to area lighting. And what it's doing this, it give you, I would say, reflection on the ground and on the car. But this is too much, so I'm just going to use 100, something to like this, and maybe a little less, and it will be the 50. And now you can see this is a little bit complicated, but the lightning, I'm going to uncheck maybe this. Okay, this is good. And now we lost this ugly effect on the car right here, but you can see you got the reflection on the ground, and you got a really nice lightning right here. So maybe I'm just going to little bit bump up this light, and you can see it's pretty realistic because you got this glow effect on the ground. So these are the two methods how you can create the lightning, or how you can create the taillights for your automotive renders. I'm just going to make this a little bit close up so you can see what's going on. I'm just going to wait to get a better preview, and I'm just going to show you how to render it as well. So I'm going to my lightning tab, I'm going to hit the product, I'm going to my image tab, and I'm going to use new image, photographic, linear, and I'm just going to make this render a little bit more bluish, a little bit more exposure, and a little bit more contrast, and just a little, maybe something to like this without the blue color, maybe like this. Something to like this. And you can see it's a little bit orange, but we can fix it. Go back to the material tab and just bring this value a little bit down. So it's back in red color. So that's it. And I'm going to the render and I'm going to use PNG, resolution a little bit higher, 2560 by 1440 pixels, clown pad. I'm going to the options, custom control, 256 samples. You can use these 16 ring bounces because we are rendering glass, so we want a little bit higher quality, and this will be the free 1.5 pixel blur, sharp shadows on, sharper texture filtering on, global illumination cache on, and just hit the render button. I'm going to bring my camera back right here, and I'm just going to wait a little bit for the preview, and yeah, looking really good. So guys, thank you for watching. This was something like the quick tips or quick tutorial, and I really appreciate your support. So hit the like button and see you in the next one. So have a nice day and have a nice render. Bye.